at the NEC committee, the chama.
I sit in the NEC committee of the party, but the decision yokurusi Orwoba was under the disciplinary committee. Gloria no money, and I love her ambition ya manganasias. Lakini I think nere agota chachiwa ya chinyingi. Because na chiete karama bantu seneti yari agatebanga muntu naro komwega ne nkumedi wono liyokwe wono kwano olenga kwegiru ekabekina akayenda nende agatebanga after egende kia senate agacha egendo kia waziri uyo ngakekoroku waziri uyo amangana labor mutua nera agatwara mangana nere senate nende na atwalita mangana nende na other leaders egende kia moisondeke. You cannot go, you know you are nominated. As a nominated person, you should have fidelity to the party. Because any party are nominated. Without a party, on the time you glory. No, you won't know, Koru se party, on the time you munyole. But it is a sad thing. In China, mo advise thing, Kamotabia glory. Irangora.
You played a role.
I never played any role. Also, Kakwai. Again, as a national, as a disciplinary committee. Once you are really disciplinary committee, you have to go to NEC. And even the NEC, I was not there. I was in Korea. I was not there, but I was in Korea. Lakini kwenye na amote, I was very aware. I was very aware of the Kurusi. Lakini kwenye tuamukwa nere, numa itete kangote. If you are nominated, you don't have any rights. Again, tukeko chorete gari ni chama. You should have fidelity and loyalty to the party.
Nomination takes away your rights even of association.
No, it doesn't take your right of association. But I have told you, fidelity and loyalty to the party is key.
Than the constitution, which gives me freedom of association.
You have
freedom
of association, but at the end of the day, fidelity and loyalty to the party is key.
So what you are
you
telling
cannot
us
bite the hands that feed you.
That a chama amachiko a chama igaitanite katiba yensi. The accusations was she was seen with Fred Matiang'i.
Yes.
She was seen having contradicted the party position, the government position.
Yes.
So what is infidelity about those two? Have you Gloria Nyakundi and another politician outside UDA?
Again, having a fidelity to the party and loyalty to the party. To kogenda isikari ochikora me chama eriego chorete. That is impossible.
Ngayara mete chama.
He cannot work with these parties.
No, she spoke that one after that.
Yes.
But before Motana Murangeli, she said, it's not working. It's not a good thing. What is wrong with you? UDA, the democracy, whereby within the SHM UDA, Mokonya says also
you can be able. People, 400,000 people out of this country under National Employment Authority. National Employment Authority yairira abantu over 400,000. Ero lire chibesa chabantu kuruwali bubazi. Aho tebinga ko bairari mu amanya ko tebanga ne serikali. You should be accountable as an individual. You should be accountable. Bunero monyene Gloria Orwoba. Tabaze ko bekere serikali ya mangana. Yes.
So somebody
intubuna barai once gwacholiru gwanyolire kende tikakone lyabantu bao konya abantu. Why should you sell liver?
So ideally, and get one more accountable as a person.
Yes.
What was the party's interest in our mistakes?
In our mistakes,
one year is what your allegations Yokobeka Rangana the chief chairman authorities in church investigate and take action. It is not upon the party to discipline a member on allegations that are verified. na authorities.
Number one, he defied the party ukwana bube igoliese ye party. Number two, acheta kalichiba sa chairman. Number three, even in the Senate, achete akachikotebanga umuclerk yuli nga he wanted to force himself. Which was CCTV. Those were just mere allegations.
And that is why the Senate apologized, which she did.
Yes.
And that matter was settled.
Yes.
So the issue has anything better dispensed. What another angle?
No, not another angle. You know, the
allegation
police go say the likuwa likurega wekabaligirira amagosa Matiang'i abere atatu bakororanga amagosa ona amange watebunga kibono agenda uliye gasi asanga unabona mtu amotayo dinga ki I glory amagosa otoro china amange you are spoiling the name for the party I want agenda liye gasi anga.
What was wrong with the
and I wish her all the best as he joins Matiang'i no mwano ito.
No, let me ask you, what
Matiang'i
is wrong?
no mwano ito, and he's a good man. He did his
so
bit.
The mistake was mistake. Don't go faster. Ekero, one of the delegations some of us Gloria no Kanase Matiang'i. It was
one allegation no Kanase Matiang'i.
Thank you.
The second allegation,
no, that in another
number two, no go kwana bobe. So, this is the party that employed you. I know chake ukwana bobe igore ya Royal Media.
Iki echame trarangri Josh Nyamuko because ina amorera ya Matiang'i.
Josh Nyamuko takuwa nituba bo bandonzi.
No, but the Kanoro was wrong.
Josh Nyamuko takuwa nituba bandonzi. The main reason to do city glory is in Joe Kwana bobe.
No, iki akwana tu.
Nyamuko tikangote Nyamuko kwa akwana bobe. Na hindi
Nyamuko meeting chia Matiang'i ngere motana muranga mu display.
Nyamuko tikangobo. Nyamuko kwanya korora ka ukwana bandonzi.
Orore kandese meeting ya Fred. Not once, not twice.
Nyamuko onyago twara chikina chinde before. Tata gutwara. Nyamuko is a good man.
If you are punishing Gloria, you are punishing Gloria for being seen in a Fred Matiang'i, then why are you not punishing the Josh?
Gloria, na mangi. It is culmination of events.
Oh, so there are issues kamanyeti.
Chinyinge.
Oh.
Chinyinge.
Okay. So ikinege tameru tukiara kuri wa.
Amagoso na even my employee. Once kakora amagoso ngoma tetuiro. Area kabere akituiro. Area gatatuiro. Area kana ngoma temina ibono. Gendo liya sanga orara nyare okolega. And I wish her all the best. She's a nice lady. She's talkative. And I believe nga bono mbobasi akogenda. Tete ko mutakira mayali yako na kuboli bobasi. I wish him all the best. She's capable. She's nabakonya.
The same issue kwa desarega. We have issues abantu mbacha even to the public babatanye serikali mabagari yaba yatabare kogenda abandi bagayikorora bakareniwa abandi chikondi chicheje kirimo gutumeka. There was a whole scandal, so you cannot put it on one person.
There were a small hitch kidogo which I accept,
yes,
and which we have rectified,
and which Gloria raised,
which we have accepted a few, about 50 of them or 60 of them. Lakini Gloria era irita abantu 100 chibesa cha abantu 100 ereng ako ira chibesa bunango
na bona no musigari
tikango boli era ako ira chibesa bunango
umuntu atakira uri swali ngai
bone ga tikango boli ngende gali bo gitutu ngende bo gitutu ali chake ko tele abantu
serikali ne bwata abanyanyimbo ne bwata abantu bo investigate why she not been arrested
because the investigation is on.
So why are you judging her?
But how is she ako ira chibesa bunango ereningo
ereningo
kuire abande 100 abande 250 abande 200
nanga abantu batatu bari chibesa bakomuleniso
abange
barenga
na abange
Marieta no bata
atimbo ati Marieta lakini abongoli kia Marieta.
So nabokana kuboli. Okay, so that esengane ya nomination